Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial of Blake Gray, who is a big social media influencer, known really well on TikTok and also Instagram. Currently, he's got blonde hair. And I know it's pretty new, the blonde hair. What I'm going to do is kind of his original darker colored haircut, which is almost the same. In order to get the blonde color, you simply need to just bleach your head. And that's a whole process. I don't know if he did it at like their house or if he had a professional do it, but it's a process. And I would highly suggest having a professional do it, someone who knows, understands hair coloring, especially when it comes to lightening your hair with a lightener or bleach, because it's very easy to screw it up, especially when your hair is just dark. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, and I found a mannequin, because a lot of these haircuts I've done on TikTok, people, they're all the same haircuts. But what I'm going to do is just kind of narrow down the sides a little bit in through here, go over the haircut, style it, and then we'll break it down at the end. All right, everyone, so I'm just gonna break down the haircut, and I know I didn't do a whole lot as far as the top, because the top is exactly where it needs to be from the last haircut that I've done on this mannequin. So check out my other TikTok videos in the playlist to see the types of looks I've done and how to achieve these sort of TikToker hairstyles. But what I really did is I went in with a number 2 guard right in through here and went up to about right here, and then blended everything in by hand throughout the sides and the back. So if you are going for this type of look, it's not, super short. It's not a skin fade. You can get that if you want. The key though to this haircut is making sure that all of this is blended into the front and working in this way. So the whole shape is going shorter to longer, and that's something you need to really take into consideration. When you're focused on the back area, you want to really kind of follow the roundness of the head to really bring out the fullness into here, and also to be able to work it towards the front, going shorter to longer. So here I have the hair about, I'd say 2.5 inches long, and then it goes to about 3 inches, 3.5, and no more than like 3.5 inches to 4 inches or so right throughout the very, very front. Depending on your hairline, how high it is, that you may need to have the hair longer or shorter. Everything is layered by pulling it straight out from the head, also rounded out throughout the corner into here, and then the front comes down just to about, I'd say the longest point is like the bridge of the nose right in through here, as you can see, but look at it, jumped right up. And that's where you want to be careful, because if you cut it too short, the hair is going to be up here. So you got to make sure that you have that length in through here to create that kind of like textured, messy look that a lot of these guys have. And then as far as blow drying it, what I did is I used my Tidal Wave spray. This was kind of beforehand anyway. I just know it's the same thing with all these looks. Is, Tidal Wave is really your best friend when it comes to these types of styles. You can use a diffuser, or you can use a blow dryer with the nozzle and just really kind of scrunch the hair, right? And then what a lot of them do is they'll brush it back and then push it down like this. And that's kind of how you get like that messy kind of flipped up look in through here. His isn't that crazy as far as like the flips that you see a lot of these people have, a lot of these TikTokers, but it does come down a little bit like this with some texture. You can then also spray in tidal wave and let it air dry, and you will achieve this type of look. But let me know in the comments below what you thought about this haircut. If you do like these, TikToker haircuts, I know a lot of them seem the same, but they're so highly searched on Google, and everyone has been focusing on these TikTokers, and they're blowing up big time. So, I'm gonna keep pumping these videos out about these guys because, they're always changing up their hair and stuff, but a lot of you wanna know how to get these looks. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with a Salon Guy.